Ebusianfo aha Ghana Sem TVGH. Mesre like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded to be notified. Ebusianfo mbeka ya beye a year or two nina. Eye yenuanum bia omuti Takoradi. Akwa bibia. The whole country felt say ade amuye no encheda ye right sir, but who knows? We found all manner of reasons to explain. Say, oh, if you are mining ye, or mining go ye into or mubufu, MPP are buying in all those things. Yes, sir. Right. Now, there me say, I him for 4 more Takoradi secondary metro no more. Say, Anye Shikrano, 8 years of Akufo Addo, MPP, Abo Modin Ama, or Takoradi secondary 4, Omunya interchange, any acquiring a dodoa. And the MPP ayamo. And so say Sadia and Akufo Addo Statue maye call 2 terms and the yanya bibia ye see what praise Akufo Addo and almost is a statue. Yes sir. Statue no na statue no fair pa. Somewhere somehow the youth or some youth NDC for went to break down the statue. After break it down statue no. They went back, Akufo went back to reconstruct the statue again. These youth, these NDC guys went again to destroy the statue again. Say ayekasa de minim say statue no ejina ho ana say the ebubu mintimikire. But I'm sure say the ejina obium. Ena yen your normal more Ashanti region. Kire say youth no say, look, say more chobi pa ere mu pentem amuko pa Akufo Addo acho mu pentem because the ecos to say ojo mama His Excellency ama emu we mu no they in Ashanti region have preferred say ebiakra na Akufo Addo and I say MPP etimi career project na mu we project na Akufo Addo dini dian kasa di to ade no sokra anka no kranka mope anka no kranka mope ba pa say ade a eye project aban fufuro aye na sa project aban fufuro aye no aban aye kra no o man dwin say omudi meka ho betu na wujo mahama His Excellency any sa Ashanti regional minister aye minim di mebo manumpo na mutimi hwe Ghana fo anim ko tam paint say oil paint to say artistic paint to say mintimi kire to and you are painting interchanges Akufo Addo into tamamudu ba omi aye mu paint enyeza na painting nso no mu paint Jomahama pictures enyeza Takoradi for me sa NDC for mo Takoradi muko bu Akufo Addo statue no se mo we mu mpore we se we kra dia enya omu na omu ye interchange no enya omu but they still had the temerity and the shamelessness to go ahead and say they are going to paint Jomahama's picture on it. In fact, even the electric buses are Baumia initiative over 100 of them. And now minu kasano buses nini na Mahama Tinedasu. That's how shameless NDC for. Until next time, say ahin for one mukroma who say, there's a way of maybe wooing government, successive government to do good for their vicinity. And so if that way and say, let's name something or let's build a statue in memory of somebody who is worth it. I think say next time you will not do that what you did. And that is why you must apologize to Akufo Addo. Ours is to advise you. Yours is to take it or leave it. But whatever the case, Akufo Addo we did it 2 times a year. He's gone into the annals of this country as a successful president. Because we be successful biano. One good term deserves another. And that's how we go about it. So let's go and listen to Asema Asante 4 and some other well-meaning Ghanaians how to say about idea Ekoso Ashanti region and how related to the SC or Takoradi. I was seeing the next one, but before then, for a studio no. Kito Bianso, Naban was screen I say Mumbai, why Edamasi.
Say all these years, NDC is a party beer. Omumpe adisuya, omumpe akenkan. The other catcher mubia and one onya catcher na se etoni trimwa wati odiko. Uye ni den atoni trim. But on say omutina position omu yes propaganda ajadam politics na ene. Ye play bichro omo on say then they say who play NDC no the America call data so ko fat abrel. Someone who sa training na. And NDC for the head data bre MPP for say yentie said your year cano and you know na those days net say now me say NDC today they are going on internet, they are bringing data to challenge MPP and I'm saying okay and this time around
they don't work with data. What would data find?
I feel data quantity. Yeah, call you no. I grown bed the papa. I grown bed the papa. Because all these years, and this you can't be on tie. That in word market. Oh, sir. And this in global market. Any where the economy. BBC sawa ewa manonia. Omutimidika se Ghana betimi afeti. And today no. Sasem no na emi den say o ka kire NDC ni bia o grassroots wa on tiase o because the party no and trend sa from day one. So today who the data man NDC ni wo ground say a global word na mana yesa on tiase because enye sa na wo kire no and say omu di sa trend be koso wa akosi say ye betu aba papa NDC begu ma me come asem so iron lady me say wo hwe sesi ya Ghana see their year corner na NDC ya de bia some of us are ye pay politics e person that ye be mu no omu ye good politics anymore as you because they see an one ufa NDC party ni gina ho now be some say from Rory's time ABC Joman part 1 so a day pa na NDC ayema o my Ghana onye bi nka na onye bi po no wetimi edi musa akere so
Never.
And you see, say omo akasa party ni crowd for ekosia. No mo ye meeting, no mo be some mo sa question we are. Some of them get disappointed oh. But no mo catch them say oh, enye kra ye be ni ye mo nya botre. Omo tem bia they believe in hope.
Which we are sick lady, unya your lady bia. We are sick lady.
Oh yeah, sick lady.
But see the sick lady. Yeah, this is where
yeah. One say na mama ka say ene NDC for say Kufo interchange I wo Kumasi no. Yempe artisans no omko eden no omko penti no omko design de bi nguhu. Onim ne nje yesa. Na do see flyover no. Wo hwe eyi amuye wo flyover na se a. Eni senya Ghana for ni ji hu ni ti ni fe ya. And this person musum ye bi no mu say homusu ba be mu no homu the designs abe tale ye interchange but at least who there waiting yesi no they tale ho on si bi na on pe professor omko penti ho
na Dr. Pepe na ye fly over there no ye draw na do tito so
there be
and I draw Dr. Baumia tito so and then draw John Mohammed here at all.
What we say adie bia wo Ghana ha bia no NDC fa bi mae enti some mehwe omu trend na omu ba abemu bia na o pese omu fo so omu fo omu din to bibi so ana omu fa omu fo ni tali adie bi so na kire se omu so di bia ba but on paper on record omu fa bibia ma Ghana politics muda they are aware from Rory's time who they pamcho who they NDC ni bi tie mi a o meka ade ba ko a NDC hwe na me say ensiran kana na do ni ba omia term o mbedi 8 years we ade a NPP ni ade a NDC ye from Rory's time ebesi part 1 of mama time bia no ba omia enanado o mo ye no times 2 And I can give you records and everything. Nanado and Baumia have done times 2 of NDC record. NDC record we know is market and hospitals. Asa. And no hospitals a project funded by some government be a baby. And yet Ghana for Kasa no musi yo. Ebia my best musi we di Ghana. No more see one time. Nedima NDC. But say NDC for trasi strategically a planning. Some yard you be said ya Ghana. Oh, there be. Unye be na Miami hubi. And based on the kind of level Baomiana Akufo Addo Eddie Ghana call no, NDC will suffer. My dear, Iron Lady, NDC will suffer. They are suffering and they will suffer more because their competition is tight to the extent that say ne o the NDC jina no be second be say kai the NDC be ye ma Ghana on to mean kaba kukura up to now. Almost on be ye 24-hour economy. And 24-hour economy no. Or they let us believe say a idea every institution be running 24-hour economy. And it's a Muhammad to me and see factory be a crampo magana for crampo na. The hospitals, police station, fire service, sign you man ya Benjamin in one in ano. Ye be born ya man running 24. No matter me employ more workers. Anami boa muni kromo. And this is for Nkasa when
And I said no 24-hour no 24 hours that run necessary run police run
yeah be so
24 hours.
So much let's say kina more now far more workers because 24-hour economy is about job. It's not about say 24-hour economy. Now NDC for can some way the share on manifesto. They go and read the 24-hour economy in the manifesto. And today what NDC is telling Ghanaians and say, almost see markets. Almost the market number contractors. Without even giving them 1 penny. Say go and do the market, and when you complete the market, government will pay you. Sikano taho. And do you know how long it will take for these contractors to build a market? And you bet na finance na utama sunu we so na market ni went miensi. Then that 24 economic catcher, it means that a scam. Because they all can't hear El manifesto mono, and you know who ye when you are in your government. And say, who do this one life? I say, I don't know where they're coming from, but me then say some of the NDC members are trying to learn and come on board to be in intellectual party like MPP. On person me and today, no, say you mu jina ne say debater. Omo timi kai omo tinim ko fa data ba. I'm so glad. Say this time around, say San ebe corner, ebe boa Ghana politics. I swear, because say only this year debater on person be tie data sem. On person be take records bia. The only one say, oh, me Penny Bay can say, and na Mahama can say, and na we can say what people say. Nkwa no mo di ye juma. Omo person me fa data ye juma. One say ne reporter ba say, kunipa no si oye palugu dam no. Yamanu one city kura. And then there is a report shows that they have not paid 1 single penny to the contractor that did the Palugu Dam. But NDC Castle, they know and they are aware, and the record shows that they have paid $12 million to that contractor. And there was looted share. No money about Baumia to say Baumia na atena ho na $12 million. That's cano Baumia ho. Today it shows say they have not paid 1 penny. So you see, so NDC ni now crop for you semo kachira oni nyina no. It tend to be lies, propaganda, cheap politics. How do you feel as NDC member? That is the question I'm asking myself. Because what go school? So we all are in the same class. We have learned together. Yes, you are there, boom. You know, say what penny phone catcher or no. They are fooling you. Don't use politics to believe say anything no. Adena enye kwada no kwano. You still believe in it and be in it. Oh yeah, NDC here, change your mind. And the party of NDC, no, because you guys are not changing your mind, that is why they are taking advantage to fool you people. NDC know the right thing, but they're just trying to use the wrong thing to fool their supporters. And say, oh yeah, NDC here. Check the manifesto and the promises and the campaign your party NDC did when they were in opposition. And today, compare that campaign to a ne na bisa ho say eti nkrofo ese o ka kire ye chama ho tumi akodi $12 million or the koye kwan wedi no to galamsey ye be chi no ama minister kra be sun ye obesun se o chama ho tumi ase Ghana nye ye bio ye ba galamsey ye be stop no one time je say ensem poto and now ye in this number sounds eti ensem am papa ni mu kan ni nyina no ni nyina was to be a liar. How do you feel as NDC member? How can you go and vote for this party again? Then confidence, but they believe now. Jata moja na wanu mu ana say like moja be na show mu a utumi like why do you create me a move for say me krofo yi enye krofo omu ka no kware because it's too much. Yes.
Why you only take the platform? You don't want anybody